friends, welcome to the Point. In this session, let's discuss about the Greenland Sea. So the Greenland Sea, it is a body of water that borders Greenland to the west and Svalbard archipelago to the east, Fram Strait and the Arctic Ocean to the north, and the Norwegian Sea and Iceland to the south. So the Greenland Sea is often defined as a part of Arctic Ocean, sometimes as a part of Atlantic Ocean also. So however, definitions of Arctic Ocean and its seas tend to be imprecise or arbitrary. So in general usage, the term Arctic Ocean would exclude the Greenland Sea. The oceanographic studies, the Greenland Sea is considered as a part of Nordic seas along with the Norwegian Sea. So the Nordic seas are the main connection between the Arctic and the Atlantic Oceans, and as such could be great significance in a possible shutdown of thermohaline circulation. In oceanography, the Arctic Ocean and the Nordic seas are often referred to collectively as Arctic Mediterranean Sea, a marginal sea of the Atlantic. So this Greenland Sea, it has the Arctic climate with regular northern winds and temperature rarely rising above 0 degrees Celsius. So it previously contained the Odin ice tongue or Odin area, which extended eastward from the main East Greenland ice edge in vicinity of 72 to 74 north during the winter and acted as a key winter ice formation area in the Arctic. So the west ice forms in winter in the Greenland Sea north of Iceland between Greenland and Jan Mayen Island. It is a major breeding ground of harp seal. It is a major breeding ground of harp seal and hooded seal that has been used in seal hunting for more than 200 years. So the Greenland Sea, it is bounded to the west by the island of Greenland and to the south by a Denmark Strait and Iceland. So to the southeast behind the Jan Mayen Island lies the vast expanse of the Norwegian Sea, of which Greenland Sea may be considered an extension. Across the Fram Strait to the northeast, the sea is delimited by the Svalbard archipelago. So the bottom of the Greenland Sea is a depression bounded to the south by the underwater Greenland Iceland Ridge and to the east by the Mons Ridge and Nippon Ridge. So to the west, the bottom rises first slowly but then rapidly towards the wide Greenland coastal stripe. Silts fill the submarine hollows and gorges. Silty sands, gravel, boulders, and other products of erosion coat the shells and ridges. So this is all about Greenland Sea. See you in the next session. Thank you.